Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I wanted to show you how to create two super healthy and nutritious breakfasts. These breakfasts are actually made with ancient grains and they're so healthy, and these are like my favorite go-to breakfasts. I eat them all the time, so I just wanted to show you how I create them, and they're super easy to create. So without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. And also, if you're watching this, please like, comment and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram as well, guys. Thank you. And also, if you try this, please leave me a comment in the comment section below to let me know what you think of these breakfasts. Thank you. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my teff, and I'm just going to place it into my pot. This is organic teff I like to use, and it is quite pricey, guys, but I like to view it as though I'm investing in myself. Invest in your health. So I like to measure it by using this little rice cup thing, and I'm just gonna place 1 cup into my pot, and I basically do 1 cup of that for 2 cups of water. I'm now going to add in the bananas, and I like to add 2 bananas at a time, and I like to bring the bananas to boil with the porridge, and this just really makes the porridge taste so yummy and so delicious and gives it that sweet flavor. I'm just breaking up the bananas and adding it to my pot of teff. Now I'm going to put it on the hob, and I'm basically going to bring it to boil, and once you start to see it boil, then turn it to simmer, and I'm just adding some extra pieces of banana because who doesn't love extra pieces of banana? Now I'm just chopping it up with a knife. You really don't need to do this. You could just break it into smaller pieces, but this is what I'm doing. And it's still on a medium heat right now. And you can also add in more water, which I've done. Sorry about the steam, guys. Now I'm just taking my blueberries, and I'm just gonna prep my blueberries by rinsing them under the tap to make sure they're nice and fresh. My porridge is still on simmer, and I'm just making sure that it's not sticking to the bottom, which you're gonna want to make sure doesn't happen. So if you see that happening, then you can just remove it off the heat. And as you can see, that's it, nice and soft and ready to be plated up. I'm just spinning it all out into my little bowl. I'm just making sure I get every last drop. I'm now just going to sprinkle the blueberries on top. Adding a little bit more because I just love blueberries. And there you have it, guys, and I so wish you could taste this. It tastes so good, and I cannot wait to eat it. And there we have it, simple, easy, healthy and nutritious. Enjoy! This porridge is made from spelt flakes, which is a healthy, ancient, nutritious grain. And I also use my 2 favorite fruits, which is banana and blueberries, and I'm just sprinkling some coconut flakes on top. You can also use your favorite fruit to mix it up. Sometimes I do use strawberries, and I've even tried pear as well. Whatever fruit is your favorite. Just store my spelt flakes in this little jar, and I'm just going to pour it into my pot, and I'll show you how I measure it. I just take a little bowl, which gives me a rough guide of how much I'm going to have. I'm now just adding in some water, and I basically just cover it. If you see that it needs more water, you can always add more later whilst it's on the hob boiling. I'm just taking my 2 bananas and I'm just going to break them up and add them in before I place it onto the hob. Adding in a little bit more water for good measure. I'm now just going to put it onto the hob, and I'm going to put it on high to bring it to boil. Once you see it starting to boil, you can then just put it onto a medium heat to simmer. I'm now just cutting up my bananas even smaller whilst they're on the hob. This saves me washing up a chopping board. And now I'm just turning it onto a low heat, and I'm just going to stir it a bit to see if it's all soft. And this is what it looks like once it's ready. I'm now just going to take it off the heat. It's now time to plate it up. And I'm just going to move that laundry basket out the way. I'm now just getting my coconut, and I'm going to sprinkle it on top along with my blueberries. I like to use a lot of coconut and a lot of blueberries. Don't judge me, guys. Ta-da! The end result. Also, guys, if you like your porridge really sweet, you can add some organic agave to sweeten it up. But I don't do that because I feel like the bananas are enough.